How to get flawless skin, natural ways to treat blackheads and open pores. Oily skin looks greasy and is prone to accumulating dirt. As a result, it leads to 3 very common problems: whiteheads, blackheads and open pores. In fact, a lot of professional salons which tend to oversteam the face also lead to these problems. If you keep your skin clean by following a regular skincare program, you can avoid them. One needs to be very careful when it comes to taking care of the skin. Whiteheads. Whiteheads are tiny little nodules of trapped oil just below the skin surface. They give an uneven and bumpy look to the skin. Try to go to a well-known and good acesthetician to get rid of them. Or you could make this natural mix at home and use it daily to clean your face. 2 teaspoons of orange peel, 2 teaspoons of rice powder, 2 teaspoons of dry pea powder. Mix all the ingredients along with rose water to make a thick paste. Apply it generously on the skin and allow it to dry. Wash your face with cold water and pat dry. Blackheads. Blackheads are hardened sebum, which blackens with exposure to air and are embedded deep into the pores. These, if not taken care of, could lead to pimples and acne. Deep pore cleansing is a must, and one could do this after a slight massage using a gentle face scrub, such as 2 teaspoons of orange juice and 2 teaspoons of honey mixed with a pinch of camphor. The combination of orange juice, which is slightly acidic, and honey are good for oily skins. If you have very deep blackheads and have not bothered to clean them, or do not want to fiddle with them yourself, seek professional help. In fact, if you have many blackheads, there's a possibility that the first few times the skin will not look completely clean, but with regular treatment, the skin will begin to clear up. If you want to steam your face, do so with herbs like lavender, lemon peel and mint leaves added to the water, and let the skin soak up their natural goodness. Reduce the oiliness of the skin and blackheads will reduce too. It is also important that you drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water a day and maintain a well-balanced diet. This can be easily done at home. All you need to do is use a little imagination to toss up salads and fruits in delicious dressings so that you don't get bored of them. Eat whole wheat chapatis and take lots of green vegetables like spinach, cabbage, beans, etc. To avoid blackheads and whiteheads, you have to follow the golden rule of keeping your skin clean, and this has to be done as a habit. You need to spend just 5 to 10 minutes a day cleaning and exfoliating the skin, and you will notice the difference in a few days. Open pores. Open pores, or as in a layman's language, holes in the skin, are very common, especially in those with oily skin. Open pores are actually enlarged pores due to excessive oil secretion and lack of using tightening masks that clean and absorb excess moisture. Using an antiseptic face wash or tonic, which has been refrigerated, will help reduce oiliness. You can mash 1 banana and apply the pulp on the face for 20 minutes and then wash off, or you can rub tomato halves on the face and let the skin soak up its juice. Another effective face pack can be made by mashing 4 to 5 pieces of refrigerated papaya and applying them for 15 minutes and then washing the face. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.